The class of 2023 left a little over $4 billion in Pell Grants on the table.
For some students, the largest barrier is just completing the form.
Capital One Cafés are hosting FAFSA workshops to connect students to funds available to them.
We wanted to provide students and parents the access to experts because filling out the FAFSA shouldn't deter anyone from pursuing their dreams of higher education. One of the tools that we created is the virtual assistant. It's there for students to ask questions at any time, 24/7, whenever they need it and wherever they need it.
Filling out the free application might be the difference in whether they can afford to go to college or not.
These free workshops are going to help parents like me take advantage of every resource that's available to us. Come into this great cafe, enjoy a cup of coffee, sit back, and just let the experts help